Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your browsing history on Vidmate, whether it's been your website and then videos you've watched on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys how you can clear your history. So to do that, come to this side, which is the Me. So at the Me here, you can see history here. So you just tap on the history like this. So at the history, you are going to see YouTube history and website history. So if you've signed in on your YouTube, if you've signed in your Gmail there, you're going to find your YouTube history and the rest. So now let's clear the local history rather. So the local history is when you've not logged in on your, Vidmate, but then you are watching videos with your Vidmate. So now let's tap on the three dot here and now let's clear our history. So we clear it like that. We can even turn it off like this. So anything we visit, you're not going to get a history here. So if you want to clear your YouTube history too, you just tap on this and then you do that on your Vidmate app. So that's it on how you can clear your history on Vidmate. Give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.